Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to import contacts to Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically you can find your contacts here, and if you want to import them, you can start using the import tool or wizard in Salesforce. To do so, you will need to go to the setup, and from here by clicking on setup, we can go and search for imports. So here, if we click on imports, you can find the data import wizard. And this integration will allow you to import records and anything into your Salesforce organization. From here, those are the items or the steps, and basically that's what we are imported in or interested in. Basically, now all you need to do is just to launch the wizard, and from here you will need to check uh, what you want to import, either a custom object that you have, if you do have already some custom objects, and from here we are interested in contacts. So basically now we want to add new records if we want to add import. So I'm just going to add new records, and you can match the contacts so you can avoid duplicates if you want, or you can also trigger some flows if you already have ones, etc. After that, you will need just to choose the type of the data that you have to want to import. So if it was in CSV or an Excel sheet, like an Outlook CSV or whatever, you will need just to check it. And from here, you can choose this one. But what matters is the file. And of course, you can say if they are separated but by a comma, if it was an Excel sheet, or they are by a tab. And after that, you will need just to click on next, and then you will have to edit the mapping, and that's it. So basically, this is how you can do it. And see you next time.